Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Vaughn from TradeWinds.com, and this is our update for June 14th, 2016. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see a bit more selling today, although overall it was really an indecisive type day. I'll explain what I mean as we go through these charts, but here we're looking at the Dow, and it was down 57 points today. Now, it was much lower earlier in the session and made it back. But what I mean is here, if you look at this candle, we opened right here at the top of the body. We went a little higher, then we went all the way down here and then back and closed over here. So when you see this type of candle where it fluctuates back and forth but closes near the midpoint of that candle, it's really an indecisive type day. Now, on one candle on its own really doesn't mean a whole lot. But when you go through these charts and you see it across the board on almost every index, on every commodity, then it starts to take on a whole different meaning. And here on the S&P 500, which was down almost 4 points today, again, you can see a lot of back and forth, but it ended up pretty much where it opened. The NASDAQ was down 5 points. The Russell down just a couple, but again, an indecisive type candle. The Japanese yen, a very low range day, and again, another doji, another indecisive type candle. We look at bonds, and bonds, it's a little, certainly not the same type of candle, but it took off, it traded higher, put in a fresh new high up at 136.22, and then gave it all back and then some, closing very close to yesterday's close. So here's gold, same thing, an indecisive type candle here, a couple actually in a row, and crude, a very small range type of day. So when you see this, what it means is there's a lot of uncertainty out there. And what I think the big unknown is, how will the Fed react tomorrow? What will they say? Remember, the Fed meeting is tomorrow, and the announcement will be around 2 p.m. Eastern. We're looking for any sort of indication about when that next rate hike will take place. Will Janet Yellen surprise and confirm that it will most likely be in July, or is it going to be pushed off to September or even later? The market is holding their breath for that, as well as that Brexit vote on the 23rd. So a lot of unknown out there, a lot of uncertainty, and the big unknown, I think, are those two big events, and I think we can expect a lot more of this type of action between now and then. Okay, we'll be back tomorrow with another update, but that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.